Ma'am. Good evening, Sir Ma'am. I, Cadet Second Lieutenant Paitong, 3rd class. I will now reciting 11 General Orders and AFP Preamble, Sir Ma'am. Sir Ma'am, 11 General Order, Sir Ma'am. GO number 1, to take charge of dispose and all government property in view. GO number 2, to walk my post in a military manner, keeping always on the alert and observing everything that takes place within sight or hearing. GO number 3, to report all violations of orders I am instructed to enforce. GO number 4, to repeat all calls from posts more distant from the guardhouse than my own. GO number 5, to quit my post only when properly relieved. GO number 6, to receive, obey, and pass on to the sentinel who relieves me all orders from the commission officer, officer of the day, and officers and non-commissioned officers of the guard only. GO number 7, to talk to no one except in the line of duty. GO number 8, to give the alarm in any case. GO number 8, to give the alarm in any case of fire or disorder. GO number 9, to call the corporal of the guard in any case not covered by instruction. General Order number. GO number 10, to salute all officers and all colors and standards in that case. GO number 11, to be especially watchful at night and during the time for challenging, to challenge all persons on or near my post and to allow no one to pass without proper authority. Sir Ma'am, 11 General Order, Sir Ma'am. Sir Ma'am, AFP Preamble, Sir Ma'am. We, the members of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, imploring enlightenment from Almighty God in order to achieve and maintain a professional organization worthy of public trust and respect, faithful to its constitutional mandate as the protector of the people, the sovereignty of the state, the democratic institution, and the integrity of national territory. Freely and collectively commit ourselves as our way of life to abide by and adhere to the provision of this code of ethics where we hereby do ordain. Sir Ma'am, AFP Preamble, Sir Ma'am.